So I was at the store and I was what the pants is this? Jackfruit. I didn't know Jack made fruit. What? $354 off? Alright, so we got our jackfruit open, and dude, this thing is huge. My hand is 8 inches long. This thing is like nuts and ham. If you've never had jackfruit or had the chance to smell jackfruit, it smells up your whole house. This smells like papaya, passion, mango, fruit, whatever that is. So this orange stuff, this is the stuff that you eat. So like you can just pull this stuff out, and this white stuff, it literally tastes like nothing. But this orange stuff is the sauce. This is where the good stuff is. Just take note of this spiny texture. This just means it's really spiny. Also take note of the fruit being yellow. This just means it's yellow. Now the taste of this thing is so crazy. Like it literally tastes like a papaya passion fruit airhead. Now this stuff right here, this is the Spider-Man maker. This is like a goopy sap. This is what the sappy stuff does. It's like Spider-Man. Now when you're eating this, don't throw out this spiny texture. All you do is you cut this off and then you save the back piece. This back piece can be used as a back scratcher. All you need to do is grab some duct tape, grab a stick, and go ahead and put the piece on the back. Done. Works perfect. But seriously, I gotta say, this stuff is the bomb. Like this, so good. I even eat the white stuff. It's just that good. Like, listen to this. So good. It's like, I don't even know how to explain the chewing. It's just really good. I guess if you've ever had a melon, you can kind of explain it like a melon. It's like a chewy melon.